It's a hot summer's day. I'm 10. My family's spending summer at my grandmother's house in Kotka on the east coast of Finland. Dad has fixed Jana's bike so she can come with us to wash our 2 rugs in the river. Dad ties the rugs tightly onto our bikes and we cycle off through the woods to the river. I wear my swimming costume under my shorts. I like washing rugs. Ours is a small rug. We start from opposite ends. Dad checks us several times to see we don't miss any parts. When we've finished washing, Dad rinses the 2 clean rugs and hangs them up to dry. We cycle to the Tsar's fishing lodge past the vast river. It has a strong current and rapids unlike any river I've ever seen. My sister and I only swim in lakes or the sea. Why is it called the Tsar's Lodge? I asked Dad. Because Tsar Alexander of Russia came here to fish, he replies. Don't they have fish in Russia? Yes, he says, but the fish are much bigger here. Does he still come here? He's dead. I was going to ask how he died, but Dad gets onto his bike and cycles fast along the river path. We follow and see a young man waving to us from the opposite shore. Stay here, I'll find out what he wants, Dad orders. Jana and I dismount and play with pine cones. We insert 4 twigs into a cone and it becomes a cow. I've made 3 cows by the time Dad returns. Hey, Leena, Jana, Dad says. The man's exhausted after swimming to the other side of the river, and now all his clothes are on this side. I have a brilliant idea. I'll tie up 2 bundles of his clothes and you both swim across with them above your heads. What if we drop them in the water? I ask. You won't, he replies. Jana and I take off our shorts while Dad ties up the clothes. Jana carries his sandals and I carry the rest. We descend slowly into the cold water and begin to swim. After a few strokes, I realize that it's going to be really hard. The current carries me further and further downriver. Dad waves and indicates I should take a more direct path. I glance at Jana, but I am blinded as water splashes into my face. I strive to reach the bank as soon as possible. I've never swum in a river before, so it feels strange. No matter how hard I kick, I drift further downriver and can't turn back. I mustn't get the clothes wet or Dad'll kill me.
When I reach the shore, I turn to see Yana being carried further and further downriver. I haul the man's clothes onto the bank and swim frantically towards her. She's inhaling water and coughing badly. When I reach her, I grab the sandals from her so she can swim more easily with me to the shore. It's a hot summer's day. I'm 10.